Hello children, welcome to today's session. So class 9 subject mathematics chapter 1, we are in the first chapter and we are discussing find the square roots. So yesterday I explained square root 2 find and I asked you to do square root 3. Maximum only 2 or 3 students did the sum correctly, remaining all the students not done correctly. And second thing is, some of the students copied from others. Simply, how I can say that is, they are not doing any rough work. Simply they are writing direct answers. How you will get the direct answers without doing rough work? So compulsory doing the rough work is must. Don't write the direct answers and don't copy from others. So today, maximum of the students, I hope they are not understand. For the students who did not understand the concept, today I will explain again the same topic, find the square roots. Today I will give 4 examples. Then I will ask you to do 2 examples. So this is the concept, today's concept. So yesterday I explained find the value of square root 2. Today also I will start with the same thing. So find the value of square root of 2. So just I will repeat the steps again. You just think. First, whatever the number you are going to write, you write, and after that, point is nothing is not given. So keep 2 zeros in this one. Then you have to start finding the square root. The first step, the first step is, first you have to take this number 2. We have to check the nearest perfect square to that. So what are perfect squares? I have written here 1 square, that is 1 into 1, answer is 1. Then 2 square, that is answer is 2 into 2, it is 4. So the 2 is in between 1 and 4. That means its nearest perfect square is 1. So first write 1. Whatever you written, you have to multiply with the same number. So 1 ones are 1. After this what you have to do? You have to do the subtraction 1. Then take next 2 numbers at a time. After this, the students are doing again mistake. What is the mistake is? The 1 is there, we have to double it. So if you double 1, how much I will get? 2. Then keep a blank here. So whatever the number written in this, you have to multiply with the same number. Some students are writing one number here and they are writing one number here. That is wrong. So now already since point is there, I have to keep point. Suppose if I want to keep 1, so what happens? 21 ones, 21. So 21 ones, 20. Now how much I have? 100. So it is not correct, or it is very less. Next I will go for 21 twos. You know how much I will get? 42. This is also very less. Next I will take 21 threes. How much I will get? 63. 21 fours. Sorry. Now 21 table. 22 into 2. That means if I write 2 here, I should multiply with the 2 only. 22 twos, 44. Next 23 threes. How much I will get? 69. Next 24 fours. How much I will get? 96. That means I will write 4 here and I will write 4 here. Okay. So now what is the number I should write? 96 I should write. Then what is the next point? It is 4. Then again here. Now again one more point. Maximum of the students has doubled this one also. 24 double. It's not 24 double. Already one was doubled. So write 2 here. Then what is the number now came? 4. 4 should be doubled and again blank. Now same concept. Now first I will write 281 into 1. I am keeping 1 in the blank and I am multiplying with the 1. 281. Next 282 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 5. 564. So which is the best option I have to take? I have to choose 1. So now I will keep 1 here, and I will write 1 here, and I will write 281 here. Then again subtraction. So 0 minus 1 is not possible, I am borrowing it. So it will be 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Here it will be 9. 9 minus 8, 1. And here it will be 3. So 3 minus 2, 1. Next, this. Now 2, 8, which should be double? 1 should be double, 2, and it is blank. Now what I have to do? Same. 2, 8, 2, 1 into 1. How much I will get? 2, 8, 2, 1. Next step, 2, 8, 2, 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 5. Then next 2, 8, 2, 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. 8,469. Now I have 11,900. So now next 2, 8, 2, 4 into 4. So 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 9, 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11. So I got nearest number. So how much I should write? I should write 4 here, I should write 4 here, then it is 11,296. Then again borrowing, it will be 10. 10 minus 6 is 4, and it is 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. It will be 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. So therefore root 2 is equals to 1.414, and its continuation. It's not stopping, because remainder is. Maximum of the students are not writing this one also. They have to write the conclusion. What is the value? And you have to do the rough work also. So this is an example yesterday I told. So what is this? Finding the value of root 2. Now we'll go for next question. Next one is find the value of square root 3. So first 3, if nothing is already 3 is there now, I have to take zeros. Then now what is the first step? 3. Nearest perfect square is 4 and 1. We have to take the lesser one. So for this one also I have to take 1. 1 ones are 1. What is the remainder? 3 minus 1 is 2. Now it is 0. Next, what I should write? I should double it 2, and I should keep 1 blank. Now what I have to do? 21 into 1. How much I will get? 21 only. 22 into 2. How much I will get? 44. Next, 23 into 3. It is 69. That means whatever the number I have written here, I have to multiply with same number. Next, 24 fours. How much? 24 fours is 96. And 25 fives, 125. 26 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 2s are 12. 13 14 15. 27 sevens. 7 sevens are 49. 7 2s are 14 plus 8. 189. 28 eights. 8 eights are 64. 8 2s are 16 plus 6. 224. So which I have to take? 189 I should take. So what number? Yes, it is 7 is also 7. Then how much? 189. Now what is the remainder? It is, this is 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. And now here it is 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. And it is double. Now here one more. I know the students committed some mistakes here. Now it is already 2 is there. Now what I have to do? I have to double 7. So how much I should double? It will be 14. So don't write 14 directly here. What I have to do is, I have to write 4 here and 1 will be borrowed to here. That means how much it will be? This will be 3. Now it is blank. I got 34. How I got 34? Means actually I should write 2 here and I should double it. So if I double, it will become 214. So don't write 214. What I should write is, I have to write 2 here and it is 14. 4 here and 1 should be borrowed. So how much it will be is 3, 4, blank. Next. So what is the next step? 3, 4, 1 into 1. It is 341. 3, 4, 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 3, 4, 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9, 10. How much it was? 1029. So this is near here. So I should write 3 here and 3. So what is the next step? It is 1029. Next, so if I subtract it, so it will be 10. 10 minus 9, it is 1. And how much it will be? 9. 9 minus 2, 7. And this is 0 and this is 0. So how much I got? 7071. Next, double it. Next, what is the next step? Look at this. This will be 3. This will be 4. Because no need to double. Now which number I should double? This should be double. 6 and blank. Next, obviously what is the next step? The next step is 3, 4, 6, 1 into 1. How much I will get? 1, 6, 4, 3. Next, 3, 4, 6, 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 9 and 2 3s are 6. How much it was? 6, 9, 2, 4. Then next, 3, 4, 6, 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18, 3 4s are 12, 13, 3 3s are 9, 10,389. So which is the best option? This. So I should write 2 here and I should write 2, then it is 6,924. So how much it is? It is 10, 10 minus 4, 6 and it is 9, 9 minus 2, 7 and this one is already it is carried, it will be 10, it will be 1 and so on. So what is the value? Root 3 is equals to 1.732 and so on. So here is the key step. What is the key step? 2 is here. We are doubling 7. Maximum of the students don't write it is 214. Whenever you got like this, it should be carried to the next number. Right? So this is about square root of 3. Next, I'll go for one more example. Next example is square root of 4. You know what is the answer? So direct answer. 4 can be written as 2 square. Square root gets cancelled. The answer is 2. Square root of 4 is 2 because it is a perfect square. Now I will go for square root of 5. Look at this. Find the value of square root of 5. And first I had to write same. 5 is only 5 number. I am writing some zeros and I am pairing of it. Now the first number. What is the first number? 5. Now 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9. So 5 is in between which numbers? 4 and 9. 4 and 9. So therefore this value lies between 2 and 3. So nearest perfect square is 2. So now I have to take 2 here. I have taken 2, I have to multiply with 2 only. So therefore 2 2s are 4. What is the remainder? 1. Next 0 0. Next what is this? I have to double 4 blank. Already point is there, I should write point. Next 41 ones. 41. 42 twos. 2 twos are 4, 2 fours are 8. 43 threes. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So which is best? 42 twos. So therefore 2 same. 2 into 2. That is 42 into 2. How much it was? 84. What is the next step? So it is borrowing. This will be 10. 10 minus 4, 6. And it will be 9. 9 minus 8, 1. Then 0 0. Now what is the next step? 4 is already there. It should be written as 4 only. Then what I have to double? This double 4. Then blank. Same. 4 4 1 into 1. 441. 4 4 2 into 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. 4 4 3 into 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. 13. Then next 4 4 4 into 4. 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16 17. 4 fours are 16 17. Now which is best? 3. So 4 4 3 and here is also 3. Then it is 1329. What will be the next step? You will be borrowing. This will be 10. 10 minus 9 1 and this will be 9. 9 minus 2 7 and this will be 5. 5 minus 3 2. Then next 0 0. Now 4. Next step, what is the next step? 4 it should not double. This 4 also it should not double. Then this 3 should be double. How much? 6 again blank. Now repeat. 4 4 6 1 into 1. So I will get same number because whenever you are multiplying with 1 you will get same. Next 4 4 6 2 into 2. So 2 twos are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 fours are 8 9, 2 fours are 8. Next 4 4 6 3 into 3. 3 threes are 9, 3 6 are 18, 3 fours are 12, 13, 3 fours are 12, 13. 13,389, but I got 27,100. Next step 4 4 6 4 into 4. 4 fours are 16, 4 6 are 24, 25, 4 fours are 16, 17, 18, 4 fours are 16, 17. Then still 4, 4, 6, 5 into 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 32, 5 4s are 20, 23, 5 4s are 20, 22. 22,325. Still I will check one more number, 4, 4, 6, 6 into 6. So 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36, 39, 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 26, 6 4s are 24 plus 2, 26. Now look at this. This is the base number. 6 6 are 36, 9, 6 6 are 36 plus 3, 39, 6 4s are 24 plus 3, I think it is 27. Then 6 4s are 24, 26. Now, which is that? 6. How much it was? I should write 6 here. 26,796. What is the next step? It is borrowing. This will be 10. 10 minus 6, 4. And this will be 9. 9 minus 9, 0. And already it is borrowed here, it will be 0. So if we borrow it, it will be 10. 10 minus 3, 10 minus 7, 3. So therefore the value is, value of root 5 is equals to 2.236 and so on. This much rough work should be done. Simply you are copying from others and you are writing, but that's not correct. So this is the value of this. So first step is important. What is the first step? 5 is nearer to which square, you have to check it. Okay. So next I'll give one more example. So copy it. Next one. We'll find the value of square root of 6. Find the value of square root of 6. What is the first step? So I'll go somewhat little bit fast in this case. 6 right, first step. 6 between the perfect square is 4 and 9. So what is the nearest perfect square? Obviously 2. So 2 2s are 4. First step Jarata this one. Next it is 6 minus 4, 2. Next step, 2 should be double. It is 4. Then multiply. 41 1, 41. 42 2s, 84. 43 3s, 129. 44 4s. 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, 176. 45 5s. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 22. Which is the best? 2.4. 44 fourths. How much it was? 176. What is the next step? Borrowing it. This will be 10. 10 minus 6, 4. And this will be 9. 9 minus 7, 2. Then what is the next step? It is, this will be 4. And this will be 8 and blank. Then next step, yes, 481 into 1, 481. Next, 482 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 9. Then next, 483 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 8s are 24, 3 4s are 12, 13, 14. Next 4, 8, 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16, 4 8s are 24, 25, 4 4s are 16, 17, 18. Then next 4, 8, 5 into 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 42, 5 4s are 20, 24. 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 8s are 40, 42, 5 4s are 20, 2425. So which is best? Here is the best. That means 484 into 4. How much it was? 4. 4 4s are 16. 1. 4 8s are 32. 33. 4 4s are 16. I think that is wrong here. Small correction. 484 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 8s are 32, 33. 4 4s are 16, 17, 18, 19. So how much it is? 1, 9, 3, 6. Then 485 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40, 42. 5 4s are 20, 24. So what is the next step? It will be, this will be 10. 10 minus 6, 4. And this will be 9. 9 minus 3, 6. And this will be 3. 13. 13 minus 6, 4. So next step, 0, 0. What is the next step? It is 4, 8, 8, dash. Now continue it. So how much you will get? Look at this. It is nearer to 46,400. And it is 4,000. Suppose if I keep one more number, it will be 4,880. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here I will check the last three options. That is 4, 8, 8, 7. I am checking from 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56, 60. 7 8s are 56 plus 6, 62. 7 4s are 28 plus 6, 34. Next I will check one more option. 4, 8, 8, 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64 plus 6, 70. 8 8s are 64 plus 7, 71. 8 4s are 32 plus 7, 39. Then next option, 4, 8, 8, 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81. 9 8s are 72 plus 8, 80. 9 8s are 72 plus 8, 80. 9 4s are 36 plus 8, 44. 44,001. Look at this. 9 8s, 9 9s are 81, 1. 9 8s are 72, 8. So how much I should write here? 9, here 9. So what is that? 44,001. So what is the next step it is? This will be 10. 10 minus 1, 9. And this will be 9. 9 minus 0, 9. And this will be 3. 3 minus 0, 3. And this will be 6 minus 4, it is 2. Then next, you may continue with 1. So therefore, what is the answer? Root 6 is equals to 2.449 and so on. So this is the value of root 6. So that's all. this is about today's session. Now basing on this, by understanding the concept, today's assignment, find the value of square root 7, square root 8 up to 3 decimals. 3 decimals means this one, up to 3 points. So this is your today's homework. So what is the main point is that first you have to select the nearest perfect square. After that you have to multiply with the same number. After that double it and we have to place on the blank. Whatever the number written in that blank, you should multiply with the same number. So like this you have to prolong the steps, right? So hope you understand. Today I told you about the single digits. In the next session I'll tell roughly, because if you stick to here the portion will not move. Try to understand the concept, then you can take your own numbers, right? So don't copy from others and don't forget to do the rough work also. Next time onwards I need the rough work and I will check all these things if we are corrected or not. So that's all. This is for today's session and we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.